In this video, we listed the 5 best stud finder on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FNIRSI WD-01. The FNIRSI WD-02 wall detector is an advanced tool designed for detecting various materials within walls, ceilings, and floors, such as steel rods, metal beams, metal pipes, wood, and wires. It is an upgraded version of the WD-01, featuring a high-definition TFT screen, a new user interface, and support for 6 languages including Russian, English, Portuguese, Japanese, simplified Chinese, and traditional Chinese. This device offers improved measurement accuracy with a 3-step sensitivity adjustment and is equipped with 3 detection modes: metal detection, wood detection, and AC detection. The WD-02 is compact and portable, with dimensions of 138mm by 68mm by 22mm, making it convenient for daily use. It includes features such as a positioning hole designed to mark drilling positions accurately, a buzzer alarm for target detection, and automatic shutdown after approximately 5 minutes of inactivity. The device is powered by a rechargeable 3.7V 300 mAh lithium battery and can operate continuously for up to 2 hours. Its maximum detection depths vary depending on the material, up to 120mm for metals, 100mm for non-ferrous metals like copper, 50mm for AC wires, and 38mm for wood. The FNIRSI WD-02 is particularly useful in interior decoration, home installation, and other industries requiring precise material detection. Number 2. HANMATEK SF1 Stud Finder. The HANMATEK SF1 Stud Finder is a versatile and reliable tool designed for both professional and DIY users, offering precision in detecting ferrous and non-ferrous metals, live AC wires, and wood studs. With its maximum scanning depths of 4.7 inches for ferrous metals, 4 inches for non-ferrous metals like copper, and 2 inches for live AC wires, it ensures accurate detection for various tasks, making it ideal for construction sites and home improvement projects. The device features dual modes for wood stud detection, accommodating both shallow and deep applications with exact measurements. Engineered for ease of use, the SF1 has an automatic switch-off after 5 minutes of inactivity to conserve battery life, and its robust design is suitable for diverse environments and climates, with operating temperatures ranging from -10 to 50 and storage temperatures from -20 to 70. Certified with CE, the SF1 is powered by a 9V battery and includes an LCD screen for user-friendly operation, making it an indispensable asset for precise and versatile detection needs. Number 3. NOYAFA NF518. The NOYAFA NF518 is a wall detection instrument, model NF518, originating from mainland China and certified with CE. It is designed for use in electrical DIY supplies and features an LCD screen. The device is capable of detecting various materials such as metals, rebars, copper pipes, live wires, and wooden structures hidden within walls, ceilings, and floors. It is particularly useful in interior decoration and home installation industries, ensuring safe construction practices. Key specifications include a 2.4-inch high-definition color screen with a resolution of 240 by 320, Type-C charging support, and a 390 mAh polymer lithium battery. The instrument offers live voice broadcast and has a compact size of 36 by 25 by 139mm with a weight of 200 g. It can measure depths of up to 3.8 cm for wood, 5 cm for live wires, 10 cm for non-magnetic metals, and 12 cm for magnetic metals, with depth values based on a 20mm standard steel pipe. The device automatically shuts down after 5 minutes of inactivity and operates within temperatures ranging from 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, with storage temperatures between -10 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. Number 4. NOYAFA NF513. The NOYAFA NF513 is a versatile wall scanner and metal detector designed for use in interior decoration, home installation, and various construction industries. It is capable of detecting metal objects such as rebar and copper pipes hidden within walls, ceilings, and floors, as well as live wires and wooden structures. The device features a 2.4-inch high-definition color screen with a resolution of 240 by 320, providing clear visuals for users. It supports Type-C charging and is powered by a rechargeable polymer lithium battery with a capacity of 390 mAh. The NF513 offers a live voice broadcast feature for user convenience and has an automatic shutdown function after 5 minutes of inactivity to conserve battery life. The product measures 63 by 25 by 139 mm and weighs 200 grams. It can detect magnetic and non-magnetic metals up to a depth of 8 cm, live AC wires up to 5 cm, and wood up to 3.8 cm. The device operates effectively within temperatures ranging from 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius and can be stored in temperatures between -10 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. Its tough, two-color mold design enhances durability, making it a reliable tool for safe construction work. Number 5. Mileseey WD10 Wall Detector. The Mileseey WD10 multifunction wall detector is a versatile and durable tool designed for precise detection of various materials including magnetic and non-magnetic metals, AC wires, and wood. With a depth range of up to 8 cm for magnetic metals, 5 cm for non-magnetic metals and AC cables, and 2 cm for wood, it offers enhanced accuracy for both professional and DIY users. Equipped with a large area sensor and an LCD screen with backlight, it ensures clear data observation even in dark environments. The device features automatic material differentiation, central target positioning, and dual alarm modes with sound and light indicators for precise positioning and safety during drilling. Its IP65 protection class makes it resistant to dust and water, suitable for use in harsh environments. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, not included, the WD10 also includes an auto shut-off feature and Velcro design for smooth operation. Despite its advanced capabilities, the packaging is shipped randomly, and batteries are not included due to air traffic control regulations. The Mileseey WD10 aims to satisfy customers with its reliable performance and ease of use.